Picture this. You walk into a restaurant for a business dinner. Your shirt fits perfectly, your watch is sharp, but something feels off. The waiter's eyes linger just a moment too long. Your date seems distracted. Your business partner's handshake feels less confident than usual. It's your jeans. Those designer jeans you bought 5 years ago, they're aging you. That vintage wash you thought was classic, it's screaming 2019. And that perfect fit from your 30s? Bodies change, and so should your denim. Here's the truth, after 40, there's a secret to wearing jeans that separates the boys from the true gentleman. Get it wrong, and you look like you raided your college roommate's closet. Get it right, and you command respect the moment you walk into any room. That's why today I'm revealing 10 specific denim mistakes that are sabotaging your image, and the exact fixes that will transform how people see you. No vague advice, just actionable changes that work immediately. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it really means to wear jeans like a true gentleman. Chapter 1. Dark Indigo Raw Denim. Distressed denim had its moment. Ripped knees, frayed hems, sandblasted thighs. Sure, it can work on a 22-year-old at a music festival. But once you're over 40, heavy distressing almost always reads as trying too hard. It clashes with a refined wardrobe, draws attention to the wrong places, and often cheapens your entire look. The upgrade here is dark indigo raw denim. Rich in color with minimal fading, it starts out clean and crisp but develops a personalized patina over time. The deep tone instantly looks sharper and more intentional, pairing equally well with a blazer, a leather jacket, or a simple crewneck sweater. Plus, it's seasonless. You can wear it year-round without feeling out of place. Raw denim also has a structured drape that flatters your frame. It doesn't sag, lose shape, or look worn out after a few washes like pre-distressed jeans often do. And because the color is so versatile, you can dress it up with brogues or keep it casual with sneakers. That balance between rugged and refined is exactly what makes it a go-to for men who want to look sharp without looking like they're trying. Two solid choices, naked and famous raw denim for a high-quality Japanese Selvedge option, or APC Petite Standard for that sleek Parisian cut. By the way, I went ahead and linked a pair by APC down below in the description. Both will age beautifully, meaning the longer you wear them, the better they look. Chapter 2. Athletic or tapered cuts. There's a big difference between slim and skin tight. Somewhere in the early 2000s, skinny jeans became the default for guys trying to look modern. But if you're over 40, they can work against you fast. Spray-on denim clings to every contour of your legs, which only emphasizes age-related changes like knobby knees, slimmer calves, or less muscle definition. They also throw off your proportions, making your upper body look wider than your lower half in all the wrong ways. The better move? Swap them for athletic or tapered fit jeans. These give you a trim, streamlined look without strangling your legs. They're slightly roomier through the thigh, which balances your silhouette, and then taper gently toward the ankle for a clean finish. You still get a modern shape, but one that's comfortable, flattering, and forgiving. Choose a mid-rise version so you're not fighting a waistband that cuts too low, and stick to darker washes for the most versatility. This fit works with just about any shoe, from Chelsea boots to minimalist sneakers, and transitions easily from casual weekends to smart casual dinners. Two great examples are the premium stretch jeans by Bonobos, which have a perfect amount of give while holding their shape, or the J. Crew 770 straight taper, which nails that middle ground between slim and straight. And yes, that J. Crew pair is also down below. You'll keep all the sharpness of a contemporary fit, but with room to breathe, move, and look like you actually enjoy wearing your jeans. Chapter 3. Tailored straight leg selvage. When you hit 40, you've earned the right to look like your clothes were made for you. Not like you're borrowing from a younger cousin 3 sizes bigger. But a lot of guys are still walking around in jeans with enough extra fabric to make a second pair. The seat sags, the thighs balloon, and the legs puddle over your shoes like collapsed drapes. Baggy jeans don't just look sloppy, they make you look shorter, wider, and less put together than you really are. The fix isn't complicated, go for a tailored straight leg selvage denim. This cut gives you clean, uninterrupted lines from the hip down to the ankle, without clinging or drowning your frame. The structured drape of quality Selvedge denim holds its shape so you get a crisp silhouette every time you put them on. Look for a mid-weight, unwashed indigo that can be dressed up with a blazer or worn casual with a crewneck sweater. The key is balance. Trim enough to follow your natural leg shape, roomy enough to move without restriction. And when you find the right pair, take them to a tailor for a perfect break, right above your shoes. Try Levi's 501 Original Fit Selvedge for an affordable classic that still carries heritage appeal, or Todd Snyder Slim Fit Selvedge for a more refined, modern update. And like all the other items I mentioned throughout the video, both these pairs are also linked down below for you to go check out. Either way, you'll instantly trade that weekend handyman vibe for something sharper, stronger, and completely age-appropriate. Chapter 4. Mid-rise for better proportions. Low-rise jeans might have been a thing in the early 2000s, but trust me, on a man over 40, they rarely do you any favors. The waistband sits so low it shortens your legs, and when you sit down, you're constantly readjusting to keep your shirt tucked, or worse, to keep from showing more than you intended. They also tend to throw off your proportions, making your torso look long and your legs look shorter. So instead, start looking into mid-rise stretch denim. It sits right at your natural waist where your body's balance point is, which instantly gives you better proportions. Your legs look longer, your midsection looks cleaner, and the overall silhouette feels more put together. The slight stretch in the fabric means you get all-day comfort without sacrificing that crisp, tailored appearance. Mid-rise jeans also give you versatility. You can wear them casually with a Henley and sneakers, or dress them up with a sport coat and loafers. Because they fit where they're supposed to, there's no tugging, no bunching, and no awkward belt line bulge under a sweater. Two excellent options I love are the A.G. Everett Slim Straight or the Levi's 541 Athletic Fit, which is linked below. This one has a bit more room in the thigh while still tapering neatly toward the ankle. Both are proof that when the rise is right, everything else falls into place. Chapter 5. Heavyweight Denim. One of the fastest ways to cheapen your look is wearing jeans made from thin, flimsy denim. Lightweight fabric loses its shape within a few hours, wrinkles badly, and starts to look worn out after just a few washes. It clings in all the wrong places and doesn't give you that structured, masculine drape that good denim should. Even worse, it tends to make your legs look smaller, which is the opposite of what you want if you're aiming for a strong, balanced silhouette. The fix is 14 to 16 ounce heavyweight denim. This isn't just about durability, though these jeans will last you for years. It's about presence. Heavier denim naturally holds its shape, giving your legs a cleaner line and a stronger profile. It develops rich, natural fading over time, so the more you wear it, the better it looks. That gradual lived-in fade is the mark of quality denim, and it can't be faked with cheap fabric. Yes, heavyweight denim feels stiffer at first, but it breaks in beautifully. Once it molds to your body, it becomes one of the most comfortable pieces you own. It's also seasonally versatile. In cooler months, it keeps you warmer than thin fabric ever could, and in transitional weather, it pairs perfectly with boots, heavier shirts, and jackets for a rugged, refined style. Try these regular straight leg jeans by Edwin. They're non-stretch, 100% cotton, and slow woven in Japan for unmatched texture and durability. The 14-inch leg opening and mid-rise give you that timeless straight leg fit that just gets better with age. Chapter 6. Medium high-set back pockets. Back pockets might seem like a tiny design choice, but they can completely change how your jeans look from behind. Oversized, low-set pockets drag your eye downward, making your backside look flat, droopy, or out of proportion. It's one of those subtle mistakes most men never think about, yet it's often the first thing others subconsciously notice. Think of it like the frame around a photo. If the frame is too big or set in the wrong place, it throws off the entire picture. That's exactly what's happening when your pockets are too large, too low, or too busy with flashy stitching. Instead of flattering your build, they pull attention to all the wrong spots. The smarter move is choosing medium-sized pockets placed slightly higher on the seat of the jeans. This instantly improves your proportions, making your backside look lifted and your legs appear longer. It's not about trying to show off. It's about creating balance so your jeans work with your frame, not against it. Size matters here. Pockets that are too big overwhelm your build, especially if you're slimmer, while smaller, clean-lined pockets feel modern and understated. Keep stitching minimal so the shape and fit do the work instead of loud embroidery. Brands like Rag and Bone Fit too, and Citizens of Humanity Gauge get this right every time, offering jeans with pocket placement that looks good from every angle. Once you try a pair with the right proportions, like the one linked below, you'll understand why some jeans just look better. And trust me, it's not an accident. Chapter 7. Minimalist Pocket Detailing. The back of your jeans says more about your style than you think. Loud decorative stitching, oversized logos, and rhinestones might have been a trend once, but past 40, they don't read as stylish. They read as outdated. In most cases, those flashy details pull focus away from you and onto your clothing in all the wrong ways. I mean, think about it. When someone's first thought is, whoa, those pockets are loud, they're not noticing how well the jeans fit or how sharp the rest of your outfit looks. Instead, the jeans become the outfit, and not in a good way. A cleaner, more timeless choice is minimalist pocket detailing. This means pockets with subtle stitching, no flashy branding, and a design that complements your outfit rather than competes with it. The beauty of this approach is that it's versatile. Minimalist jeans work with everything from a crisp dress shirt and blazer to a weekend Henley and boots. You'll also find they're easier to pair with shoes. While flashy pocket jeans often feel limited to ultra-casual settings, clean pocket denim transitions effortlessly from casual Friday to dinner out. It's the kind of upgrade you don't notice right away until you realize you're reaching for those jeans more than any other pair you own. Stuff like the Everlane Slim Fit jean below or the Tailor Stitch Democratic jean are perfect examples. They keep things understated, letting the fit, fabric, and wash do all the talking, which is exactly what a grown man's denim should do. Chapter 8. Smart Casual Footwear. The right jeans paired with the wrong shoes is like wearing a tailored suit with running sneakers. It throws off the entire look. Chunky athletic trainers, beat-up loafers, or square-toe dress shoes instantly make your denim feel sloppy and dated. And once someone's eyes go to your feet, it's hard for them to unsee it. So here's the fix: smart casual footwear that bridges the gap between laid-back comfort and refined style. Chelsea boots in suede or leather give your jeans an effortlessly sharp edge. Clean white leather sneakers work with almost any wash and keep your look modern. And a pair of suede loafers adds a touch of polish without feeling overdressed. These aren't just nice shoes, they're versatile staples that work across seasons and dress codes. The key is proportion. A sleeker shoe complements the clean lines of your jeans, while the right sole thickness adds balance without looking clunky. Stick with neutral tones like brown, tan, navy, or white for maximum versatility, and make sure the shoes are well maintained. Scuffed leather or dirty sneakers will undo even the best denim game. Investing in 2 to 3 pairs of high-quality smart casual shoes will completely change how your jeans look. You'll find yourself reaching for them on date nights, weekends, and even casual Fridays at the office. And here's the bonus. When your footwear game is on point, people tend to assume the rest of your wardrobe is too. And in case you were wondering, I've linked 2 very different but perfect pairs down in the description: suede loafers and a pair of leather sneakers. I wear these myself, and they've been worth every penny. Chapter 9. Perfectly hemmed length. Even the best jeans in the world can look sloppy if the length is wrong. Too long and you've got fabric pooling at the ankles. Too short and you risk that awkward high water effect. Neither does you any favors. In fact, the wrong length can undo an otherwise perfect outfit. So instead, give custom hemming a shot. It's the ultimate fix. Cropping your jeans so they sit just above the shoe break creates a sharp, intentional line that instantly elevates your look. It cleans up your silhouette, balances your proportions, and makes your entire outfit feel purposeful. It also opens up your footwear options, letting your Chelsea boots, loafers, or sneakers actually be seen instead of hidden under a denim puddle. The beauty of hemming is that it works for every style of jean: straight leg, tapered, selvage, even heavier winter denim. Most tailors can do it for a small fee, and many brands now offer complimentary hemming when you buy in store. If you rotate between shoes of different heights, you can even keep 2 pairs of the same jeans hemmed at slightly different lengths for a perfect break every time. If you've never tried it, you'll be shocked at the difference. Jeans that once looked fine suddenly feel like they were made for you. It's the kind of subtle adjustment people can't quite put their finger on, but they'll notice you look sharper, taller, and more put together. But if you don't have the time to go get your jeans hemmed, one of my go-to options is the AG Graduate Tailored Leg. They come with an inseam that's already close to a perfect break for most men, so you can wear them straight out of the box and get the same effect or make a quick tweak at the tailor for that truly custom look. Chapter 10. Season-appropriate washes. Look, I get it, wearing the same jeans year-round might feel like the easy choice, but it's a quick way to make your outfits look off balance. A pair of dark, heavy Selvedge jeans might be perfect with a chunky sweater in December, but wear them in July with a short-sleeve polo, and suddenly you're overheating and looking out of sync with the season. On the flip side, those light, faded summer jeans that look great with boat shoes in June can seem flimsy and underdressed when paired with a winter coat in January. The weight, texture, and color of denim all send subtle style cues, and when they clash with the season, the result is jarring. So instead, try and rotate your denim to match the season, just like you do with outerwear or footwear. In summer, go for lighter washes and breathable, slightly lighter weight denim. Think sun-faded blues, pale stonewash, or even a soft ecru. These colors and fabrics naturally complement summer's lighter shirts, polos, and sneakers while keeping you cooler. In winter, swap them out for darker washes and heavier denim, ideally 14 to 16 ounces, which adds visual depth and pairs seamlessly with heavier layers like wool coats, flannel shirts, and leather boots. Owning even 2 warm weather pairs and 2 cool weather pairs means you're never forcing your outfits to fight the season. It also extends the lifespan of your jeans because you're not wearing the same ones into the ground. Think of it as having the right tool for the job. Your denim will always look like it belongs in the season, and you'll feel more comfortable year-round. And there you have it, gentlemen. 10 secrets to wearing jeans like a true gentleman once you're over 40. These aren't about chasing trends or reinventing your whole style. They're about dialing in the quiet details that make denim look intentional, refined, and completely age-appropriate. From the right fit and rise to seasonal washes and smart footwear, each secret is a small shift with a big payoff. Put them together, and your jeans stop being just jeans. They become the backbone of a wardrobe that works in any setting. And don't forget, all of the exact products I mentioned are linked for you in the description. These are pieces I personally recommend and trust to get the look right every time. Style over 40 isn't about standing out for the wrong reasons. It's about wearing clothes that feel good, look great, and tell the world you know exactly who you are. Master these secrets, and you'll never look at denim the same way again.